Hello, I am Christina and welcome to ChriskaYoga. I wanted to quickly come on here and share that I will be doing a brand new 30-day yoga challenge. So many of you loved it in September, so I wanted to bring it back again for January. A lot of you might want to start a regular daily yoga practice in January. Maybe your goal is to get healthy in the new year, lose weight, improve your health, improve your body. And guess what? Yoga is an excellent way to do that. It's a great way to get healthy, have a healthier mindset, have less stress in your life. A daily yoga practice is an excellent thing to do, and January is the perfect time to do it. It's a fresh start. It's a new year. Let's do it together. Let me help you on this yoga journey. Let me help you start a new yoga practice. Maybe you've fallen off the wagon during the holidays. I know I certainly have. It's a very stressful time. So let's all do a restart, fresh start for January with this 30-day yoga challenge. This 30-day challenge is completely free to participate in. You will be getting 30 brand new yoga classes from me daily starting on January 2nd, 2019 and going all the way through the end of January. However, if you don't want to start on January 2nd, you can start anytime throughout the month of January and you will be able to practice the entire 30 days for free. So you can start all the way up until January 31st. If you want to do the 30 days in February instead, that's totally fine. You will be able to do that. Whatever works best for you. I want to make this challenge be able to fit into your schedule so you can access it for whenever you'd like. If you did want to start on January 2nd, you could start with a group of people who are starting, start with a community, have some accountability, interact with each other on how you're doing with the challenge, interact with me on how the challenge is going with you, although you can do that always and forever. You have the option to do either one. Start on January 2nd or start whenever you'd like. The 30-day challenge will be there for you for free throughout the entire month of January. All the information on how to participate in this brand new 30-day yoga challenge is listed in the description box below, or if you're watching this on my blog, it's listed in the blog post, so you can check it out and join in. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be fun. Let's start this year off right. It's gonna be a great year. I hope that you join in on this challenge. I would really love to have you as a part of it. And on that note, thank you so much for watching and being with me throughout the entire year of 2018. If you just joined me, then welcome. It's been a pleasure. Your comments, your interaction with me on the videos, your feedback makes my day. I do this for you guys, so it just keeps me going, keeps me motivated. It's been great getting to know you a little bit better. And yeah, I just really have enjoyed this year of ChriskaYoga. So I hope you have enjoyed it as well, or however long you've been here. And yeah, let's kickstart 2019 off together as well. I am so grateful for you and that you're here, and I'm so grateful for yoga. And I'm just, yeah, really grateful. And I just want to say thank you for being here and for being my yoga students. Thank you. So yeah, I will see you soon with new yoga videos. I might have one more yoga class for you. No. Yes. There's one more yoga class coming up, and then that's it until 2019, right around the corner. So yeah, I'll see you soon with new yoga. More yoga, lots of yoga for me. See you next time.